Okay, so YouTube Shorts are starting to blow up and you can see the number of views that these videos are getting. So today we're going to go through some simple steps. Step 1 is we're going to use a free piece of software. Step 2 is we're going to find articles like this. Step 3 is we're going to rewrite it for free using some AI software. Step 4 is we're going to find a product that we can recommend and share in our content. And step 5 is we get paid. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to go over this incredibly simple method to make money online and from home using a combination of YouTube Shorts and some other pieces of software which are all 100% free to get started with. And look, if you like this idea of making money online with YouTube, check out the link down below. I've got a free YouTube course. It will walk you through, what we're going to be covering in this video, but it'll also go through the video upload process and lots more. But it's simple, it's easy, it's available worldwide, and you can do all of this from your phone. Okay, so let's jump over onto YouTube and I'll just walk you through this entire process. Okay, so we're now over on YouTube, specifically Shorts, and you can see on here, these sorts of videos, they're getting hundreds of thousands of views. Now, lots of these are silly little videos, and I say that, with a pinch of salt, because lots of these are like what you see over on TikTok and stuff. I mean, popping it and this sort of stuff. But we can actually make money with this by giving people value, and then we can also earn money from not just YouTube but also from affiliate commissions, and the whole process is really simple. So step 1 is we come over to this website here, and there's a link to this down below. You can see here it allows us to make professional videos in minutes. You try it now, it's absolutely free. Okay, so the link to this is down below. So let me go ahead and just sign into my account. So let me just click on continue, and it'll just take a second to log me into here, and then I'll show you exactly how we're going to do this. Okay, so in the beginning we're going to start with YouTube Shorts. So on here you can see I use this software for different projects and things, but if I come down here we have a few options. So the first one is we're going to go with vertical, because this is the correct size for YouTube Shorts. Okay, also, as a side note, you can take this same video that we're going to upload onto YouTube and you can upload that onto TikTok and also Instagram Reels. But very quickly, I've just remembered, we're just going to come up here. Instead of using these pre-made templates, we're going to click on text to video. So we'll click on text to video here, and then again, we've got it on vertical. Scroll down here, and again, we've got all of these different templates that we can use. So I'm just going to pick any. I'll just go with this one over here. Vertical, use this template. Okay, but very quickly, I've just remembered, we're just going to come up here. Instead of using these pre-made templates, we're going to click on text to video. So we'll click on text to video here, and then again, we've got it on vertical. Scroll down here, and again, we've got all of these different templates that we can use. So I'm just going to pick any. I'll just go with this one over here. Vertical, use this template. Okay, so then in here is where we add a headline, or our script as it's known, and you can see down here we have auto suggest images and videos. So we're going to leave this, but we need to put some content into here. So this is where we're going to Google and find articles. So in this example, you can see I've put in how to get rid of back pain. We've currently got 14,800 people every single month searching for this, so people are interested in this. So we'll come down here, look, we've got 14 ways to relieve back pain. So what I'm going to do here is I'm literally going to scroll down. Let me just click on accept, and I'm going to, once I've got rid of the ads on here, I'm going to scroll down. Look, so look, what's this? Sleep better. That is number 1. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put sleep better, and for my headline I'm going to click on here and I'm going to type in simple ways to get rid of back pain. Okay, so that is the title, and we've got number 1 is sleep better. Go down here to number 2. Let's just click on here. So number 2 is good posture. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come over here, put that into there. Next one, come down here really quickly, and I'm going to click on medication from the start. Skip that one. No. Blimey. No. Physical therapy. Let's just go with that one. And all I'm doing here is I'm just taking some key points. So I don't need to worry about copyright or anything like that, because these are, these are all general ways to get rid of back pain. So don't rest an achy back. I'm going to copy that, and I'd just go through and I'd copy some of these, okay? Because remember, this is only a YouTube short. We're going to move on to a longer video in a little while. I'll show you that as well. But I'm just going to click on here just so you can see how simple and easy this whole method is. Okay, so it's going to take a second, and what's happening now is the software is finding images or videos which are related to our text that we have just put in. So you can see on here, look, it's literally this one here, simple ways to get rid of back pain. So this moment in time, these are some of our, so if I come over here on the left hand side, we've got the script, we've got uploads, video, image. So if I want a video in here, click on here, and I'm going to click on here, I'm just going to type in back pain, okay, and hit on enter. It's going to find all of these videos related to back pain, okay? So I'm going to go through and find one. So here's one. So I'm going to put this over here, and I'm going to click on done. Now that video is on here for me. Now I can edit this and play around with this, and I can also click on play to see how it would look if I want to, okay? And you can see our text pops up down here. So that there would be scene 1 of the video. If I move down here, we're then on to scene 2. So all I do here is I just drag the media. So what does it say? Sleep better. So I go up here, I'm just going to type in sleep and hit on enter. And again, the software is going to go ahead and find images and videos related to sleeping. So if you just go with this one here, look, I'm just going to drag this over here and click on done. And that is the video on there for me as well. Go down to the next one. Look, good posture. So just type in good posture. Hit on enter. And literally it just takes a couple of minutes just to go through and do this whole process. Okay, so again, just find any that you like the look of, and we're going to click on them. So I'll click on this one, for example. Drag this over here. Click on done. And that is that video there. Okay, so you can go through and look, you can highlight this, you can duplicate it, you can edit this, you know, you can resize it if you want to, if you're not happy with the background image and the video in the middle here. But you just go through and you just make sure you're happy with this. Once you're happy with this, you click on download and share like so. And then look, you would click on here and you want it in the 1080p. Once we've got that, we then go ahead and upload that over onto YouTube with our, our headline and with our titles and other bits. And as I've mentioned, I show you how to do all of that in my free YouTube course. With the link to that is down below. So once we've done our YouTube short, this is great because YouTube are promoting these at the moment on the platform very heavily. Now we can't actually monetize these sorts of videos with YouTube ads, but what we can do is we can actually go over onto an affiliate platform like ClickBank, like Warrior Plus or JVZoo or any other one, and we find a product related to the category or niche. So in this example, look, my back pain coach, this program here pays you on average $69.10 a conversion. So I just click on promote and I click on generate hop link. That there is my long ugly link. So now I've got my link, I need to shorten that link. So I come over here and I go to this free website over here called Bitly. Click on here, and all I'm going to do on here is look, this again, it's absolutely free. Look, sign up for free. I'm going to click on login. I think it's with this, but I can't remember what I signed up with this one. So we'll just take a second. You can see on here, look, free account. Yeah, this is the one. Is this the one? Yeah. So I'm going to come on here, click on create, and I paste that long URL into here, and I click on create. And now look, now I've got this little short link here. So if I click on there, watch what happens. It takes me over to the sales page for this mybackpaincoach.com. And if I go all the way along, you can see here, this bit here where it says equals Fern123. This is my tracking code, which ClickBank do automatically for you. So they know if anyone clicks on this little link here, what we put in our YouTube description box, they go over here in the purchases, then it tracks back to me over on ClickBank down here, and I can earn an affiliate commission, which isn't a bad, it's just under $70. So that's pretty cool. So I've now got a YouTube short over here, which I can upload onto YouTube, which are, YouTube are pushing for us. I can include video tags. I can also include my affiliate link down here. The next step of this process, and what I'd recommend to do, you don't have to, you take this video and you put that video onto TikTok, and you also take the same video and put it onto Instagram Reels. Okay, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. The next thing I would recommend you to do is make a longer format video for YouTube. So I'm going to come over here to script, and I'm going to click on, let me just go into, in fact, let me come out of this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back to the home page. Here, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on text to video. And this time I'm going to click on vertical, wide, 16 by 9. And again, this is the correct size for YouTube. So pick any template you like. So I'm going to click on this one here. And I'm going to click on use this template. Okay. Now here, you've got a couple of options. You can add the script yourself, or you can come down here and you can see where it says add a URL here. You can add a URL from basically anywhere on the internet, and you can see here we will fetch the data on the scraper. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and let's just take this. In fact, this is a slideshow, so this probably won't work. So let's just come down here. Let's just go with this one here. Look, 7 ways to relieve back pain naturally. I'm going to take that and I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to paste that URL into here. And then I'm going to click on fetch. And this will take a second to fetch. Once this is fetched, see over here, this is everything it's brought in for me. Now I don't want all of this in the video, so I'm going to click on auto summarize. And now look, here are the slides for our longer format video. But this here, this is copying somebody else's work. So we need to change the wording over here. Okay, so what I would do is, if I wanted this one here, I would copy this. Let me just right click and copy. Then I come over here to this website called Quillbot, and this is basically a free paraphrasing tool. And all we're doing here is look, try. So I want this paraphrase. I'm going to paste that into here, and I'm going to click on paraphrase, and that then goes over here. So I'm then going to copy all of that. I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to paste that into here. So that's that one done. I'll then go on to the next one, and I'm going to copy that, come back over here, get rid of that, paste it in, rephrase, and look, there is that one done. Okay, and what we're doing here is, I'll paste that in there, so all I'm doing here is I'm just taking the work off this article over here, I'm getting it rewritten using this free piece of software, and all I'm doing here is I just go through each one of these slides, and once you're happy with this and you've rewritten it, you just click on go to storyboard. Let me just click on OK. Let me just get rid of that. And it's going to load. So don't worry about that notice that popped up there. These videos work perfectly fine. Okay, so once this here has loaded up, and it's taken a little bit longer than normal just purely because, you know, it's a longer script and a longer format. But realistically, this video here will allow us probably about a 3 or 4 minute video on YouTube. Okay, so now this has loaded up. This on the screen is our video, and you can see on here, this here is slide 1 of 50. So there's 50 of these slides in total, and these are ultimately your video. Over on the left hand side, you've got the script that we've gone through and changed using this Quillbot over here. So if I come back over here, now you can just go through and have a look at this. So you've got, on some of these here, you'll have images behind, and you'll also have videos behind. And if you want to change any part of this, then you absolutely can do. You can come over here to the left hand side and click on videos and images, and you know, you can even add music and other bits. If you want to see how this looks, you simply click on play. And then you can go to the next one, have a click on this one. And like, as I mentioned, if you don't like any parts of this, then you can just come over here to where it says image or video. We click on, let's just click on video for example, and we'll click on, let's just type in back pain, and we'll click on go. And then all I'm going to do here is, because, you know, I don't really like this image over here, I'm just going to click on, let's say, this one over here. I'm going to drag this and put this into here. And then, you know, it asks you if you want to trim it or use the full video. We'll just click on done. And now we have a video on there instead of an image. So you can see it's incredibly simple to use this video software. So you just go through, make sure you're happy with the slides and the images and videos, and then we'd just come over here, click on download and share, then we'd upload that video onto YouTube as a full-length video. We'd also include in our, we'd include a title, a thumbnail, and not forgetting in our description box over on YouTube, we would include our shortened link that we got over here from Bitly, and would, direct people over to that link, whereby hopefully they'll click on the link, go over here to this My Back Pain, and go ahead and purchase one of these products, and we earn an affiliate commission. So look, we've gone over this, in a little bit more detail, in a little bit of detail. If you want more, in-depth videos on this, then click the link down below. You can get access to my free YouTube course. This goes over, how to make money, because this is just one method. It shows you how to do keyword research for your videos, how to actually create the videos. I've put a couple of options in here for you. We've got thumbnails in here and lots more. I also share on here, a fast way to get to 1,000 subscribers. Some key points you need to be doing when you are uploading your videos. So this includes the properties on your video, using tags the right way, and the actual upload process. It's not difficult once you go through and learn how to do this correctly. But look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please leave a comment down below or like the video. I'd really appreciate that. If you have any comments or questions, then let me know. But overall, simple, easy, and it works. So thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.